What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video, we're going to talk about Juno, or is it Juno or Junio? Alright, anyways, guys, we're going to go ahead and talk about Juno in this project, and we're going to explain what's going on with it and why I'm super bullish on the Cosmos ecosystem and all they're developing. In this video, we're specifically going to talk about Juno, and we're going to explain a couple of things about it and how you can conceptualize it and understand it. But first off, guys, they're having an airdrop. If you guys were staking your ATOM back on February 18th, you would be into this airdrop. If you didn't get it, that's okay. I didn't get it either. Dummy me wasn't staking, but I did have my Cosmos in my ATOM wallet or Kepler wallet so I can get the OSMO airdrop. Guys, one thing you need to know, especially in DeFi and when they're launching out airdrops and just the decentralized networks itself, not your keys, not your crypto. Get your money off those dumb exchanges. I mean, dude, was Mt. Gox not enough? Oh wait, you weren't around for Mt. Gox. Okay, that's fine. Just imagine it like this. You send someone your money, then they never talk to you ever again. Then you try to ask them for your money, and then nothing happens. What do? Do you call your mom? What's your mom going to say? She's going to say, honey, how dumb are you? Why would you do that? And you're going to say, Mom, I thought you were there for me. Anyway, sorry to go on a rant, but let's go ahead and talk about Juno and see what's going on. In my opinion, this is the whole vision that Ethereum saw. So Juno is actually a multi-chain smart contract platform that is interoperable and is easily scalable. This is built on Tendermint, so this is on Cosmos. And here are a couple of problems that Juno solves that Ethereum didn't. First off, it's multi-chain. So it goes on many different chains and is not just specifically on one chain. You know that sometimes you find like a gem that's over on Binance Smart Chain. Gems on Binance Smart Chain. What the pants? But you get the point. There's different tokens on different chains, and you're like, man, I got to go through bridges. I got to do this, this, and this just to buy the token. And then instead, it should just be like, oh, I want that token. Oh, switch swap, done. That's what Juno is solving. And it's allowing people to have smart contracts on multi-chains. You don't have to deploy a dumb token or deploy a token on Ethereum, deploy a token on Binance Smart Chain, deploy a token on XDAI, deploy a token on Avalanche. It's just redundant. It's garbage. You don't need to do that. Just deploy it on one network. Boom, done. It solves it. That's what Juno is solving. It also is a blockchain that scales to 100,000 to 10,000 transactions per second and gives an environment for cost-effective deployment. So low gas fees. Game changer, in my opinion. Speed, cost, smart contracts, and interoperability. Also, if you guys did miss the airdrop and you guys are a dev or you guys know how to hack projects, have fun. Try to hack it. They'll pay you to do it. Go for it, man. And also on October 1st, 2021, there will be that's basically when the airdrop is going to happen. But you are going to be heavily rewarded for staking and bootstrapping the ecosystem. So if you don't get any tokens, you can also buy them on Amaris or Osmo when they deploy the tokens. Or you can just beg your buddy to send it to you on your Kelper wallet. So here's a quick overview of their milestones. First off, they have the hack. The start date already started. Then they got mainnet October 1st. Oh snap, I'm super excited. And then they're integrating on Amaris. This is where you can buy the token. Then on the Gravity Dex. If you guys don't know what the Gravity Dex is, here's a quick look at it, but it is fire sauce. Guys, don't be sleeping on the Gravity Dex. It's kind of on the back end, but a good way to take a look at the UI. Just try out Amaris. I did a full video on it, so you guys can check it out. It's fire sauce in my opinion. No, guys, everyone's airdrop. Isn't it an airdrop? Dude, the airdrop token is ATOM. It's Atom. This is your airdrop. If you get in early, typically what happens is the token price appreciates. If it appreciates, that's your airdrop. If it dumps, well, that's your loss. I'm sorry. It happens. Not financial advice. Don't buy the token or buy the token. I don't care. You do what you want. I'm explaining to you what's going on. Then they have the different upgrades, Cosmo AMM, Moneta upgrade, and then they have some more hacking. If you want to follow them on Twitter, Telegram, Discord, or GitHub, you can go to any of these. Obviously, you can't follow on, well, I guess you could track the GitHub, but you can follow on Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. And like I mentioned to you guys, They have the stake drop going on. So if you guys want to get in on that, here's some details on it. But basically, all you got to do is search your wallet address. And guys like Juno 0. Loser. I'm calling myself a loser because I wasn't staking it, man. I missed it by 2 days. No, 3 days. I'm so mad, but hey, you know what? It's okay. I'll get the next one. Thanks for tuning in, guys. And make sure you guys look into Juno. Don't sleep on it. And if you guys enjoyed the video, 3 things for me. Like, subscribe, bell button. And leave a comment in that description below saying you subscribe. You'll automatically get thrown into that drawing to earn $100 in free BTC. Also, guys, I forgot to mention, Voyager is actually giving a special. So not just $25 in BTC. They're also giving a additional bonus of VGX tokens, which are valued at like $5 a piece, and they're going to give you 5 of them. So it's a bonus. It's like $25 in BTC and 25 in VGX. You can't beat it. I know they did have app issues several months ago, but it still works good for me. I have no complaints, and I still use them, and they pay pretty good interest rates, especially on BTC and ETH. But Proverbs chapter 18, verses 19. A brother wronged is more unyielding than a fortified city. Disputes are like barred gates of a citadel. So the first part, I really like this part. It's so true. A brother wronged is more unyielding. So guys, especially if you're mad at someone, don't do something just because you're mad at someone or wrong someone just because you want to and it's in your best interest. And that part where it says it's unyielding, because it's one of those things, like it's like the golden rule. Do unto others as you want done unto you. So if you do something bad to your brother or sister, it's not literally like bloodline. That's not what it's saying. It's talking about your brother and sister as in like your neighbor, your friend. We're all brothers and sisters, guys. But what will happen is if you're going to do wrong to them, well, what do you think they're going to do to you? Probably going to do wrong as well. So just give, be nice, help each other. Thanks for tuning in.
Dogs, gotta say thanks to the patrons. Sean Bott, Da Man, Tariq Lou, TL King, JP, PJ, Bernito, Taco Nacho. Dogs, thanks for watching. Alright guys, if you want to catch me on TikTok, I do daily wisdom one-liners and let you guys see the pets and behind the scenes junk. So here it is, scan it, check it out, bam. Alright, so next off guys, if you guys want to support the channel and get paid to do it, you guys can check out Celsius. Celsius is fire, dude. So what's so cool about Celsius is, guys, first off, you can get $40 in free BTC using my referral link in the description below. Just deposit $100. Add in the code BTC50. You will also get an additional $50 if you deposit $400, guys. It's free BTC. Next is Voyager, guys. I also got a referral link in the description below. Instead of just only getting $25, you'll get $25 and some free VGX tokens, guys. Next is BlockFi. BlockFi is part of the quadruple threat. Go ahead and make a deposit. Use this referral link in the description below. You get $100. Depending on how much you deposit, you can get all the way up to, guess how much? $250. Alright, so what the pants is Celsius and BlockFi for? Well, you can use both of those as like your bank. They get some pretty nice juicy yields. And Voyager is more so like trading, and it gets some juicy yields as well. And the last one to try is Crypto.com, guys. You can trade some like smaller altcoins, and you guys will get $25 in CRO once you guys get the Visa card. Why do I like the Visa card? Well, you can sell crypto and buy some junk with it, so I can buy a sandwich with my crypto. I don't use BTC, but I'll use like stable coins and junk. So anyways, if you guys want to support the channel, that's the quadruple threat. Thanks for tuning in, guys. You'll get paid to do it.